Cathaoirleach of Mayo County Council, Councillor Michael Holmes.
Thanks, Anne, for that introduction, and I also won't delay you too long because I know you've come to listen to the speakers that are here. I'm delighted to be here as Cathaoirleach of Mayo County Council because of our involvement in this initiative and this strategy going forward. And I think John summed it up there in a couple of words when he said planning a path for the future for the development of Mayo tourism. I think that spells it out, because you have to have a plan, and there is a fantastic plan put in place for this wonderful county and the whole tourism industry. I think it was 1991 was the last time there was a plan like this put in place, and some of the points that were, or some of the things that were in that plan did come to fruition. You know, when you think of maybe the Cage of Fields, Turlough Park House, and all of that, the National Park in Ballycroy, and a whole lot of other things, you know, that has happened over that period of time. But and indeed, I suppose, prior to this plan being put in place, quite a few other things had happened. The Wild Atlantic Way, which of course is a whole West of Ireland thing, it's not exactly a Mayo initiative, but it is absolutely fantastic. But of course, the king of them all has happened, and that is the Great Western Greenway from Westport to Achill, which I think is one of the greatest pieces of infrastructure in the whole tourism thing that has happened, certainly in my lifetime. It is absolutely fantastic. And indeed, I must at this stage compliment Minister Michael Ring, who has been continuously putting money into that, and indeed other tourism initiatives right through the county. And it's not a party political broadcast I'm giving now, but it is fantastic to have a Minister for Tourism in a county that has so much potential as far as tourism is concerned. It is great, and long may that continue, and whatever role you're in, Michael, after the election, if you're still there, and I don't know if there any if about that, because I have my house put on it already. Whatever role you play afterwards, I hope you continue to put the money in this direction, because we will certainly, you know, and indeed Mayo County Council has been very much to the fore under the Chief Executive, Peter Hines, and all the other people that works in that enterprise office and does fantastic work. Anna Collins, who was mentioned earlier, and John, and indeed I see Porrick Philbin here, and others. I suppose it's dangerous to go mention the name because there's so many of a team there. But look, it is absolutely great to be here on such a fine evening. It was a bad morning, but I gave a phone call to your man above, and it promised me sunshine for the afternoon, because sunshine and tourism goes hand in hand. So look, it is great, and great for the county, and it is great to have the plan, as others have said there, and to work to that plan, because it is a county with absolute huge potential. And I think one of the greatest things we have here in the county is the Ireland West Airport, and long may that continue and get whatever support it can from, and indeed it was great this year, or last year rather, when all of the counties, the 7 counties in the West, came together and got involved in the airport and you know, secured its future going forward. I was very happy last July when that transatlantic flight came in from New York and touched down. I could see a light at the end of the tunnel, and I'm told there's another one organised for next July, which is great. That's where you have to be looking at, and that's where the potential and the future is. So look, enjoy the rest of the evening and listen to the other speakers. Thank you very much.